Okay guys, we added yesterday. Today we're going to do some subtracting. So you need your base 10 blocks back out again. So once you have those out, we're going to use base 10 blocks to find 84 hundredths subtracted by 56 hundredths. So let's model that, let's get that out, and let's do that process, please. Okay, when I'm doing subtraction with the base 10 blocks, is all I need to get is how much do I have? I have 84 hundredths, so that's what I have here. I have 4 hundredths, 8 tenths, and then my decimal. And the first part of it, it said to take away 6 tenths, because we always go to the right. Well, if I look, do I have 6 tenths to take away? No. So what am I going to have to do? I'm going to have to go next door and borrow a tenth from him. So if I take a tenth from him, I now have, I don't have, and that would be just the same as if I did 2, 4, 6, 7. Here's my tenths. That would be borrowing this. That would be bringing 10 ones down, or 10 hundredths down, not ones, hundredths. Now I don't have 4, I have 14. Can I take 6 away from 14? Well, I certainly can. If I take 6 away, I take 6 away. What do I have left? I have 8. So now I have 8 hundredths. Now I have to go to the 10th spot, and I have 8 of them, and it told me to take 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took 5 away. I had plenty. And now my new answer is 28 hundredths. So let's go back to our worksheet, please. And it said subtract, start by the 6 hundredths. Do you need to regroup? Yes, we had to regroup because we didn't have enough to take 6 from 4. So when we subtract, we remove the 5 tenths, and what did we now have? We had 4 tenths. So I needed to take one away. What was my answer? 26 hundredths. All right, talk to your partner about if you remove the tenths first, then the hundredths. Explain how you would have to regroup. That would be hard again. It's just talk about that because a lot of you like to start from the left and go right. And why does you can? It just makes it a little bit what? All right. So if we're going to draw this out, this is what it looks like. So this time we have 2 whole and 82 hundredths minus 1 whole and 47 hundredths. So if we're going to subtract, well, of course we're going to the furthest one. Line them up and let's subtract them. So if we draw a picture, we look here and we have our 2 and 82 hundredths. Here's our 2, excuse me. We need to take 7 out of here. Can we do that? No, so we got to cross this out and make 10 ones. Now, can we take away 7 from there? Sure we can. So I just cross those 7 out so that I know how many I have left over. Now, can I subtract 4 from my 8 tenths? Yep, I can. I'm going to take out 4 of them, cross out 4 of them. Here's my next step. I'm going to cross out those 4, and then I'm going to do my hundreds, or my whole number, and if I have 2 and I take 1 away, what does it look like when I'm all done? Make sure you draw that, please, of what that looks like when you're all done. When I would draw it, I would have 1 whole one. I would have, if I see here, I have 2, 3 tenths. Those got a little big. And I still had 5 hundredths. So I had 2 whole ones, or 1 whole one, so my answer is 1 and 35 hundredths. Okay, let's practice a few more of those, please. So what I would like you to do is to complete these, find the difference, and then I would like you to draw a quick picture of what you're doing. Sometimes it's just easier to draw what you have here, but leave yourself room for when you have to take them out. Sometimes it's easier to, now if I'm going to take 7 away on this one, I'm going to look at it, I'm going to change my colors. So if I take away, ooh, I have 1, I need to take 4 away, I can't do that. So I'm just going to cross this one out and make 2, 2, 3, 4. So I have 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I give myself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Now I have enough. Can I subtract? You betcha I can. I can take 4 away. So I'm just going to cross these 4 out. Now I'm moving to my tens place, and I have 4. I have 4 of them here, and I didn't make 4. Sorry about that. Okay, I have 4 of them here. Can I take away 7? No, I only have 3, so what am I going to have to do? I am going to have to exchange this, so I'm going to cross this out, and I'm going to give myself 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I am now going to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do I have left? Oh, I didn't make my